AI engineers design, develop, and optimize intelligent systems that shape the future of technology. Their work bridges data science, software engineering, and machine learning to create AI-driven solutions for real-world problems. AI engineers are the masterminds behind the intelligent systems shaping our world. They bridge the gap between theoretical data science and practical real-world applications, ensuring AI models function efficiently across various industries. Their expertise is essential in developing, implementing, and maintaining the infrastructure that powers artificial intelligence. AI engineers are responsible for designing and managing complex AI-driven systems. Their work spans multiple domains, including natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, ML, neural networks, and cloud computing. Here are some key responsibilities of an AI engineer. Developing AI systems, AI engineers build and optimize intelligent solutions that drive automation and decision-making processes. Implementing AI models, they take AI models from research and integrate them into applications that businesses and consumers can use. Managing AI infrastructure, AI engineers ensure the smooth operation of AI frameworks, including handling large-scale data and optimizing computational resources. Conducting research in AI fields, from NLP to deep learning, AI engineers stay updated with the latest advancements to refine AI technologies. Leveraging cloud services, they utilize cloud-based platforms to deploy scalable AI applications efficiently. Becoming an AI engineer requires a blend of software development expertise and a deep understanding of AI methodologies. Here are some critical skills that define a successful AI engineer. Programming proficiency, AI engineers work primarily with languages like Python, Java, R, and C++ to develop AI models and applications. Machine learning and deep learning, a strong grasp of ML algorithms and neural networks helps engineers build intelligent, adaptive systems. Data engineering and analytics, understanding data processing, feature extraction, and data structuring is essential for training AI models. Cloud computing and deployment, proficiency in platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure enables engineers to scale AI systems efficiently. Mathematical and statistical knowledge, AI engineers rely on linear algebra, probability, and optimization techniques to fine-tune AI models. With artificial intelligence revolutionizing industries, AI engineers are more in demand than ever. From healthcare to finance and automation, businesses seek AI professionals to enhance their decision-making capabilities and automate processes. As AI continues to evolve, the role of AI engineers will only expand, making them one of the most sought-after professionals in the tech industry. AI engineers are at the forefront of technological advancement, transforming innovative AI concepts into practical solutions. Their expertise in machine learning, cloud computing, and AI model implementation makes them invaluable in today's digital age. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence and technology, a career as an AI engineer could be your gateway to shaping the future. Thank you for exploring the role of AI engineers, building the future of artificial intelligence with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.